Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can hyperlink citations on Word. So for that you need to open up Word, and after that just select the text that you want to be hyperlinked, and after that click on insert, and then you will be able to see this option of link over here. Just click on it and then select this option of insert link. You can also use the option of command K or control K as the shortcut for creating a link. Just click on it, and after that just copy paste the link that you want it to be hyperlinked, and it can be any YouTube video, it can be any research paper, anything. So just paste this link, or you can either type it then click on insert. And if you want the hyperlink to be within the document, then just select this option of this document, and then you will be able to select a particular part of your document where you want to be hyperlinked, and just click on insert, and then this text will become clickable, and whenever someone clicks on that particular text, they will be redirected to the hyperlinked link or the part of your document. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.